Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Anno 117 Pax Romana game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just have to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After restarting your PS5, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5 and hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Anno 117 Pax Romana game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete games save file PS5. For that, first open settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Anno 117 Pax Romana game and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Then check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Once you check storage space, after that launch the game and check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to systems. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings first, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available, and finally choose update using internet option. Next is to reinstall Anno 117 Pax Romana game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Anno 117 Pax Romana game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.